Hello everyone. So again, 21st of August shift number 2. Again, I am saying the 2023 previous year questions are proving in every shift since the morning onwards. So the paper analysis, I'm going to do it for the shift number 2. I'm taking time to give clear-cut analysis because gathering of detailed questions are more important and specific areas are more important. And from where they are repeating, it will be beneficial for you to prepare those areas. That's why I'm not coming live immediately. So now the 2023, whatever the December 2023 and June 2023, same trend of previous year question, whatever repeated in the morning, in the evening also, nearby same areas were asked. So let us try to discuss those areas which were asked in the examination in the shift number 2 of 21st August. If you are first time in this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and join in our Telegram group for the regular updates related to UGC NET preparation. I will talk about this valuable worth of just a 339, but a worth of the JRF PYQ courses revision. We just completed yesterday only, and from today onwards, we are seeing the outcome of it for the paper 1. 1200 questions we solved in December 2023, 15 shifts, June 2023, 9 shifts. Almost at 1200 questions we solved. The output we are seeing from today morning onwards. How it is, I will discuss after this particular explanation. So if you look at the coverage point of view in each and every shift, in each and every topic, let's talk about first data interpretation. Data interpretation was a PYQ trend related to import or export, expenditure related DI was there. Import and export, the table was given like it was a bar chart related DI. So in this import and export related expenditure was given. So based on that, we should identify how increase and decrease, how much increase is there as compared to the previous or as compared to the other sector, how much decrease is there, and there was an average question also. So like that, 5 questions. It is moderate in nature, not too high difficult or not too low also. It will take a minimum time. And RC was related to Rigveda because the evening shift was for English literature only. So it was given as a Rigveda related reading comprehension, which is moderately, but uh, if it is lengthy, now the scrolling problem will always occur. If it is small, then it will not be having any issue. So always I recommend you to solve the reading comprehension first in the examination, and later you can go for the DA. Now let us come to the teaching aptitude. In the morning, what we have done? Swayam Prabha channels. Swayam Prabha channels got repeated. Again, Swayam Prabha channels. There are 40 DTS channels, which is getting operated by GSAT 15. And channel number 1 to channel number 10. Channel number 1 to channel number 10. Matching is most important. And there is also questions related to evaluation systems, evaluation or assessment system. Matching question was there. Evaluation system. Whether this is matching or statement based question, I am not sure. In this, we can get a norm reference testing, criteria reference testing, formative evaluation, summative evaluation, and even placement evaluation and diagnostic evaluation. Like this, total 6 types will be there. If you can learn them, it will be easy. And these two are repeated in the 2023 previous questions. And there is a question which is related to tools, teaching tools, tools of teaching. So like learner centered tools and teacher centered, or which are audio center, video center, audio plus video both put together. They can ask the tools of teaching by linking with the technology maximum. So I am sure it is related to that only, the tools which are learner centered maximum. And these are the 3 questions which are teaching aptitude. Now, if you look at the research aptitude related, first question was quasi-experimental research. Quasi-experimental research. Related to this, direct question was there. And second is that empirical or experimental research. Empirical research. These both are types of research only, empirical research. The third one is validity and reliability related question was asked. Validity and reliability related question was asked. So whether it is only validity or by linking the statements validity and reliability, statement 1, statement 2 also possible. But it is, many people are saying it is validity related. Maybe the types of validity, phase validity, criterion validity, the discriminant validity, various types of validity will be there. So maybe that type of validity question. So in research aptitude, these are the three areas purely depending upon the types of research of 2023. Many types: cross-sectional, longitudinal, experimental, grounded theory research, empirical research, observation research, even fundamental, basic research. These are the regular area of asking a question. Ex post facto, experimental. Experimental is almost every time, right? So now the third one is that communication. In the morning, we were not able to get many questions from the communication, but now it is clear. First one, whether it is mediated or intermediate communication, not sure. Mediated communication, many time it is asked in the December 2023. So again, it is repeated. There was no communication called as an intermediate, but we have to get exact question paper. Then only we can say. And there is a mass media communication, again repetition of 2023 trend, same. Mass media communication. And the third one is that meaning of text. What do you mean by text? In December 2023, there was a question on subtext. Now there is a question on text. Text means heading, subtext means below that. So here, text in the communication, like that question, and 4 statements will be given to identify the meaning. Next, hot media, cool media, June 2023, repetitive question. Hot media versus cool media. So which are part of the hot media, which are part of the cool media, their examples also necessary to learn. These are communication related questions. And next one is that logical reasoning. Logical reasoning are the maths. Let's go for the maths first. Maths is most repetitive and highest number of questions. Not only 5, looking like 6 questions were asked. Whether they are in the statement form or else only single questions, not sure, because coding, decoding question was there. Coding and decoding question was there. After that, coding and decoding, there was a question related to profit and loss question. And there is a successive discount question was there in the percentage, successive discount question, percentage related. And there is also a question on averages and simple interest, compound interest also been asked, whether it is only compound interest or statement based, because it is more than 5 questions are there. Even the people are saying blood relation question is there, time and work is there, but they can't able to say that whether it is a statement or not. Obviously, how they are forgetting, we need to check, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is not possible from the MR itself. So might be a statement question of average and the successive discount, or simple interest and this profit and loss. Maybe two statements based questions also quite possible in this. And next, LR portion. Again, LR is every time it proves informal fallacy. One question, informal fallacy. Second question, equivalency. That is square of opposition equivalent statement. Which of the following is a equivalent statement to the given one? Or else the question was on subalternation, contradictory, contrary, subcontrary. Like based on that, which of the following can be, both can be true but cannot be false together, or both can be false but cannot be true together. Like that, the question can be asked. And next one is that Vedas. Whether these Vedas are like based on the school of thoughts or the Vedic education, need to get that information. If it is related to the school of thoughts, then it is fine. Or else the Rig Veda, the Yajurveda, the Samaveda, though 4 types of Vedas will be there. That is part of higher education system. And Hetobas related question was there, which is Indian logic fallacy. Indian logic fallacy question was asked, Hetobas related. These are LR, very regular areas, not only 2023, previous also it was there. Next, ICT. ICT. Morning Web 2.0 asked, now also it is repeated. Morning virus related question was there, now also same topic was touched. Open source software. Open source software related question was there. Open source software, maybe a statement based question. PYQ of 2023 June or December. In that it is covered. Open source software is covered. Even proprietary software is covered, and system softwares are covered. Utility software is also covered in the December 2023 and June. Types of memory has been asked. Types of memory: RAM, ROM, primary memory, secondary memory, and their subtypes, their examples also important. Volatile, non-volatile, highest in terms of the speed, in terms of access time, in terms of the cost. So all those need arrangement also important for the examination. And there is a question related to graphical user interface as well as IFDP, interactive panel display. Like a smart board will be there now, which I use. That is an interactive panel display. Interactive flat display panel, interactive flat display panel, IFDP. Maybe this both put together have been a statement based question. These are the 5 areas in the ICT. Now in the people development environment, Kyoto Protocol. Every time remember this 5 protocol. Rio Summit. Out of the Rio Summit outcomes, Kyoto Protocol, Paris Agreement, and there is a Montreal Protocol. These are the most important. And even Montreal Kigali Amendment also most important. Kigali Amendment linking with the Montreal Protocol, they can put a question. And there is a question related to mutagens. Mutagens is repeated in December 2023 examination. Yesterday only we solved. Yesterday only we solved it. Mutagens related question. And there is a question related to air pollutants. Air pollution related question was asked. So maybe which of the following are primary air pollutant, secondary air pollutant, are the each and every air pollutant, their consequences, diseases also can be asked, and which body parts will be impacted by which pollutant also possible question. Even PM 2.5, PM 10 question also been can be asked. So air pollution, which one it is related? I didn't get the data. And next, certain national day. Which of the following national day specific question was there, but which day? Not sure. So these are the people and development. Again, I am repeating 2023 June and December only. Higher education system. Higher education system. You can compare the papers which we have solved and take this topic. I am not telling on the air everything is covered. These are the similar type of trend which was there in the previous year questions of recent December and the June. Because almost in the June examination itself, we got 9 shifts into 50 questions. So there are 450 questions in the June. And in the December 2023, there are 15 shifts, 50 questions. So there are 750 questions. So these are more than sufficient to repeat the trend. Because it's a 1200 questions, you can understand the trend of it. Now, higher education system, again, NEP 2020 related question has been asked. And there's a question related to 5-year plans, most important. Yesterday and today morning also we have concluded this. 5-year plans linking with the higher education policies or higher education recommendation in each and every 5-year plan. What are their implementation in each and every 5-year plan? 5-year plan 2, 5-year plan 8. These both are most important. Because higher education, 5-year plan 2, 5-year plan 8, major recommendation has been done. In the 5-year plan 8 only, higher education got privatized. They have allowed the private education, private people to look into the education sector investment. Because LPG was the main reason in this. This 5-year plan 8 is related to 1993 to 1997, if I'm not wrong. That's why LPG was introduced. Liberalization, privatization, globalization was introduced at that time. So higher education allowed the private people to invest into the education sector. And there is a question related to foreign university. So foreign university establishment year. So maybe this is a foreign university in the ancient period or in the current period, not sure. Establishment year and the place also been asked. There was a question related to ancient India. Ancient Indian universities. Which of the following universities having multidisciplinary? Again repeated. So multidisciplinary, whether it is they are confusing or not, the same Vallavi University Vallabi University is the one, not only tantric education, there is also Tarka Shastra, Nyaya Shastra, which are there in the this particular ancient Indian universities. Ancient Indian universities, almost in every shift there is there with, you can expect a one question from ancient university as well as NEP 2020 you can expect. Even 5-year plans also getting more important, linking with the education sector. So these are the areas. Now these areas you can expect in the upcoming tomorrow exams also. Even whichever the shift you belong to, similar type of trend can be expected. Try to cover these areas mandatorily before going for the examination within your available time. How much ever possible, that much you try to cover. But don't get scared something if it is not covered by you. Just try to get the liberal meanings of it so that at least you may get some clue in the examination to answer for them. Right? So this paper one, whatever we have done last 7 days re-exam revision course, 43 hours we have done, 21 session we have taken in this last 7 days that are getting repeated the similar trend of questions, similar type of concepts in the upcoming examination. And today also we have witnessed the same trend. That's why we are proudly saying that this 339 rupees is a worth of it. And you may feel, you may compare after taking the course, how much it is covered and in what way it is explained. And with that, you are also getting CBT mock test. We are starting the commerce revision, re-exam revision, 10 question papers of commerce from November 2021 to December 2023. All the shifts are going to be covered in the commerce. And paper one, if you want to take 339 rupees only. Paper 2, if you want, we will be covering from 10 papers from November 2021 to December 2023. All the live will be recording available for you till the 30 days. So try to get a benefit at this lesser price. Why we are keeping to reach to many members the ultimate solid explanation, because no other platform will cover in this structurized way. We have done it, and it is now you can see in the result also, the output and the question paper also you can able to see. Just a 339 if you want to take only paper one. If you want to take paper one plus commerce, 599. Just you go to the description, download our Achievers 24/7 app and register it, log in, go to the courses, select the paper one plus commerce if you are both. And if you want only a single paper, that is paper one, then select accordingly, make the payment in your purchases, it will get added. Right? Thank you so much. Direct previous questions are getting repeated in the examination. And if you like it, please do hit a like button. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, join in our Telegram group for more regular updates. Thank you.